So today I've been cleaning up this Saitek Megastick 2 MX-120 joystick. It's 2 buttons. It's suitable for the Sega Master System, Atari and Commodore, Amstrad and MSX machines. You select the machine you want using this notch here, A, B and C. The joystick, I'd guess, is about 30 years old. It's in pretty good condition. There's some age-related minor scuffs and marks, as you would expect on a joystick that's 30 years old, but I think overall it's in good condition. Some of them actually just rub off. I've just been rubbing that bit there, and it's kind of come off a bit. I've been cleaning it up with just some non-abrasive cleaner, really, and I think it's came up okay. I think that's acceptable condition. That's pretty good condition. It's fully working as well, so just to demonstrate, I've got it hooked up to an Amiga 1200, and just to prove that it's plugged in, there's the cable there, plugged into the back. I don't know if you can see, that is plugged into the back of the 1200. So just to prove that it works, we'll fire up the 1200. Just take a moment for it to boot up. Not sure what that does there. I don't know if it's just a design or whether it does anything. I've not really used this one much, to be honest with you, and I don't use it, so hence the sale. But yeah, we'll just, I've tested it previously and I know that it works, but just to be sure I'll do it again on camera. Get a game loaded up to test it. I'm having to play this one-handed, by the way, so if I'm rubbish, then that's why. Just put any name in there. Okay. So you can see up, down, left to right are all working. I'm just bad at this game. But yeah. So up, down, right, and that's game over. But yeah, it's a nice little joystick, and yeah, that's the Saitek Megastick 2 MX-120 working on an Amiga 1200.